Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple text messages on iPhone. Before we get started, please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell for you to be updated to our latest tutorial videos. Without further ado, let's now begin. Here's how to delete multiple text messages on your iPhone. Now, if you're going back and forth texting somebody and you wanted to delete those specific messages, maybe it's one, maybe it's three, or a dozen different messages, you can always do that. So let's open up messages here, and I'm just going to tap on a conversation. If I wanted to delete these multiple different ones of this, all I have to do is tap on one on it, doesn't matter which one, and you can see I can hit this more button. Now it allows me to select multiple messages, so you can delete multiple different ones. Let's say those are the 4 that I wanted to delete. I can hit this trash can icon at the bottom left and hit delete messages. So then it will remove those. Keep in mind, it removes them from your side. It doesn't remove them from the other person's phone, but it does show basically that those text messages, quote unquote, were never sent or received. So you can go through and delete specific things. Maybe somebody sent you some private information that you don't necessarily want lingering around here. It's good to go in there. Maybe you want to delete it if they're social. Maybe there's some personal information, all that stuff, medical information. You might want to go in there and delete it, so it's not lingering around in your messages. If you find this video helpful, leave a thumbs up, share it to your friends, and hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.